Alright guys, so we're working on the KT100 again. Today we're doing a top speed video. So there's a couple things we can do to really increase speed. First of all is just the sprocket, and then second of all, we can put a different expansion pipe on it. So as far as expansion pipes go, I'll put the video right up in the corner, but this one was the one that gave us the highest power band. So that'll give us the most pull at a higher RPM. As far as the sprocket goes, Jason, what's on here now?
That's a 92 tooth sprocket.
Right.
And then we're gonna go down, I mean, this kit we got was insane. It comes all the way from 100 down to 84. So we'll be using this 84 tooth sprocket, and that'll hopefully give us a lot more speed.
Yeah, and of course it's not a split sprocket, so I mean, we're gonna have to take like half this cart apart. Not really, just this wheel, and then the sprocket itself will slide off. So from our pile of expansion pipes, get this one, which is basically almost the same as this one. This one didn't really run that well with it. And just a tuning issue too, but we know this is our favorite and it sounds the best too, so cool. Okay, so now we're just putting our Go Power Sports fuel filter in, just so we don't have to mess around and deal with leaky filters and stuff. Now we're on to putting the smaller sprocket on to increase our speed. So this just unbolts from the hub. Yeah, so it looks like there's just an Allen key right here, 2 Allen keys on this locking collar, and then the sprocket hub should just slide right off.
So now we're just gonna loosen this bolt right here to scoot the engine back so we can get the chain off easily. Okay. Yeah, so this is actually a much bigger difference than I was expecting. So here we go.
So we got our 84 tooth sprocket on. Everything is all torqued back down as far as hubs and stuff go. So I'm just putting the tire on, and we'll see how fast she goes. Alright, so we're here. So let's bring her around to the truck, grab the jumper cables in the starter box, and fire this bad girl up. We're trying to get a pull in before it rains too. Look at
We got a rainbow over there. Don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully that's a good omen.
Oh, it's a double rainbow! Oh my god!
Wait, where? Where?
Look, it's above it.
Oh.
You can see it.
Kinda.
All the way.
So yeah, that means we're gonna hit 100.
Better.
That was pretty fast. That like takes your breath away when it goes by. Jeez. It sounds so good. What's she running?
53.
Okay.
So it's okay, but it's plenty enough to scare you.
Wow, dude.
That's a little
How fast did you
disappointing,
run
actually.
before? Yeah. I mean, okay, look. By comparison, that's a pretty big sprocket. So.
I mean, like a 2-tooth sprocket.
Wow, so 50, huh? Dang. You know what? How do you think this would compare against the 60s cart? Do a little head-to-head action there.
I think that'd be pretty. We should see how fast the 60s cart is.
True. Maybe. Starting to rain kind of hard, so we're trying to get out of here. Dude, that is sick. I swear we could get.
It's getting stronger.
That's a nice shoe you got there. Dang, man.
Get that thumbnail.
iPhone X portrait mode. Telling you.
It works.
You don't even
wonders.
need a real camera.
The sun's in the wrong way.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I think I hit 45. So that's really, really fast, especially out of 100 cc's. It's starting to rain, so I think we're gonna have to wrap it up. But thank you, Go Power Sports. We got the fuel filter, stuff like that. I mean, and this cart isn't built for top speed either. I mean, if we do a shifter cart or whatever later on down the road, we can hit, you know, upwards of 70 miles an hour or whatever. But so cool. I think this is actually would be a really good match for our 60s cart, and we have another 2-stroke KT100 too. We could do a little video there as well. Just a bunch of head-to-head stuff. Just have fun turning really fast, which is what this thing was made to do. So, but don't get me wrong, it's crazy fun. It's fast enough to get your heart going. It just pulls super hard. And I mean, this is a sprocket for racing, so. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.